Hello friends, welcome to another refrigeration HVAC mechanic red seal license exam review. In this video I'll be doing a flashcard, and without further ado, let's start with flashcard number 1. A Halide leak. Detectors are only useful with refrigerants containing answer chlorine. Number 2. Oil used in refrigeration system should have high dielectric strength. Answer true. Refers to the repeated starting and stopping of motor in short interval. Answer jogging. Number 4. Coulomb is the SI unit of electric charge. 1 coulomb equals 6.24 times 10 to the 18th power electrons, or 6.24 quintillion. It is equivalent to a current flow of 1 ampere in 1 second. Answer true. Too much humidity in a room causes a person to answer feel hot and sweat. Number 6. Diagonal lines in psychrometric chart measures answer a specific volume. Number 7. Increasing the thickness of the insulation will increase the answer thermal resistance. Number 8. Hermetic and semi-hermetic compressors cannot be run when the system is under answer vacuum. Number 9. Centrifugal switch is used in answer capacitor start motor. Number 10. The opening force on a TXV is answer bulb pressure. Number 11. How does the TXV regulate the flow of refrigerant in the evaporator? Answer suction superheat. And the last flashcard. When is an external equalizer used? Answer pressure drop across evaporator is too high. Okay, that's it for this flashcard. Cheers, and I hope you learned something from this video. Have a good one.